Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a cheer bow using the Tovaryka templates. I purchased mine from A&L Displays. They do have an Etsy as well as a Facebook group. Today I'm going to be using the largest one using 3-inch ribbon. This is my 3-inch ribbon and this is my 3/8. You're going to need scissors, a clip or a hair tie, needle, thread, glue stick, glue gun, and I use a wood burner. So first of all, I cut this 15 inches long. So each strand is 15-inch long. So I'm going to turn that right side up, upside down. I'm going to grab the second strand, right side up this way, and I'm going to place it down. There's two options on how to make this, which you can put this overlay it and then overlay your template and then fold each strand. I am going to glue mine. So I'm just going to use these two bottom corners, add a dab of glue, not a lot, just so that way it can hold. I'm going to add it to the bottom. This edge and this edge from both strands meet up. I'm going to get my template, and then depending on how you want your bow to look, you can either do this strand first and then overlap that one, or if you like the other option, it just depends on the look that you like best. So I usually do the left side first, and then I'm just going to clip it. And then I'm going to get the right side, bring it over, and clip it. If you can tell on these templates, they do have a slit. There's where you're going to sew down. So you get your needle and thread. I use upholstery thread from Walmart. And I feel for it, and it's right here. I want to make sure that I get to the bottom as close as possible. Okay. And I'm holding it just like that, so that way nothing moves. Just like that. Remove your clips and then slide your template out. Next, you want to grab the bottom of your cheer bow and pull that thread through. I am going to grab this bottom corner and just meet it up to the last pinch, and just wrap your thread around it. Turn it to the back side, knot it. I leave my needle and thread on. Look how perfect that bow is. So now you want to get your scissors and make your V-cuts. All you have to do is fold them in half and cut inward. You don't want to do outward, so cut inward, just like that, on both of them. Make sure they are even, and then get your wood burner or your lighter and heat seal your ends. Almost done. So for this cheer bow, it's for my daughter, and she likes hers to have the French clip. So that's what I'm going to be using. I already took out the center part, so I'm going to turn my bow around. I'm going to put my needle and thread up. I'm going to close it, and I'm going to put glue all along the back side, or the front side, flat side. Goes. Attach my clip, give it a little bit to cool down. If you're using a alligator clip or a hair tie, you can do the same process. So I'm going to open my clip up, grab my needle and thread, and just wrap it around. This is going to secure that my clip stays on. Just going to knot it. Just like that. You don't need that thread no more. So I'm going to use the red center. I'm going to heat seal the end of this 3/8 inch ribbon and add a dab of glue right there. The glue stand that I'm using can also be purchased from A&L Displays. So all you do is add it to the center. Wrap it around your bow, and I do pull mine tightly. Add another dab of glue. Pull it tightly and press it down. I cut the remaining off. Use my wood burner to heat seal it. Next, I'm going to add, gonna measure right about there, and this just helps it look a little bit more professional. So I'm gonna heat seal each end with my wood burner, add some glue, and then attach it to my clip. And there you go. I'm gonna add my middle part back in. Just like that, and you're done. And you get a perfect bow every time with these templates. If you have any questions, free comment below and I'll answer those. The ribbon, I have it on my website at CC's Ribbon and Things. The templates you can purchase from A&L Display, and they come in 4 different sizes for 7/8 ribbon, 1.5, 2 1/4, and 3 inch. And like I said, if you have any questions, just feel free to comment below. Information for the templates and the hair ribbon, I will put that in the description box. Thank you for watching.